Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the engagement notifications on your notification settings on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to this three lines right here. Here you will find this settings icon, and here you find this notification settings as you see. So here you can manage as you like the notification settings, and also you'll find this engagement notifications, so you can turn it the likes and collects on and off, your followers, the comments, the mentions, you can turn it on and off, and that's it. So that's how to find the engagement notifications easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.